Car touch screens have become an essential part of modern vehicles. However, they easily collect dust, fingerprints, and smudges, making them look dirty. Luckily, there are different methods to clean your car's touch screen safely and effectively. Distilled water leaves no streaks or residue. It prevents damage from minerals in tap water. Take a spray bottle with distilled water and spray it on a microfiber cloth. Then, gently wipe the screen with this cloth in a back and forth motion. Dampen the corner of the cloth again with water and clean the stubborn stain with it. Finally, wipe the surface with a dry microfiber cloth to finish cleaning the screen. A microfiber cloth is one of the safest and easiest ways to clean your car's touch screen. Simply take a soft, dry microfiber cloth and gently wipe the screen in circular motions. This helps remove dust and fingerprints without scratching the surface. If the screen has tough smudges, slightly dampen the cloth with water and wipe again. Make sure not to use too much water, as it can seep into the screen edges and cause damage. Isopropyl alcohol removes oily fingerprints and germs. It evaporates quickly without leaving streaks. Firstly, take a makeup brush and clean all the dust from the screen. Dampen a microfiber cloth with a small amount of alcohol and gently wipe the screen. Clean the surrounding area with the damp cloth for amazing results. Pre-moistened screen cleaning wipes are another effective option. These wipes are designed for electronic screens and do not contain harsh chemicals that could damage the touch screen. Gently wipe the screen with a cleaning wipe, making sure not to press too hard. These wipes remove oil, smudges, and dust while leaving a streak-free finish. If your screen has stubborn dirt, you can use a mild cleaning solution. Mix a few drops of dish soap with distilled water. Dampen a microfiber cloth with this solution and gently wipe the screen. Avoid spraying the solution directly onto the screen, as excess liquid can cause damage. After wiping, use a dry microfiber cloth to remove any remaining moisture. To keep your car's touch screen clean for longer, consider using a screen protector. A screen protector helps prevent scratches and makes it easier to wipe off fingerprints and dust. When cleaning a screen with a protector, you can follow the same methods mentioned above. You can also use Wolford Car Screen Cleaner Spray to remove fingerprints, smudges, and dust, keeping screens clear. It is safe, non-toxic, and gentle, ensuring no damage. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. Regular cleaning will keep your touch screen looking new and working properly for a long time.